I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, my dog is going to pick my makeup look, and this is the makeup look. She did quite well. I thought she was like going to pick multiple things. There was only one product that I didn't really like. I've only used one. This is the second time I'm using it. Can you tell what one? It actually looks really good on this one, but in the rest of the video it did not. But I am wondering if I should start filming from this angle because it's actually really good. Let me know in the comments if I should start filming from this angle. This is literally from my window. But let's get into the video. What one, Daisy? What one? Okay, that one. What one, Daisy? I'm honestly not like I have no treats. There's a treat on the bed here, but I'm honestly not doing anything. Why are you picking all the natural shades? Is it? That's a liquid one. Daisy, come here. Clever girl. Come on then. Sit. And then this is a normal highlighter. The highlighter is that one there, by the way. The lighting is not good. See? What one? What one? Pick one. Okay, you pick this one. I do not like that highlighter. So I've got this Glow Revolution Prime Set Glow, and then this Revolution Fixing Spray. So let's see what she picks. Okay, what one? You can't keep picking that side. Okay, what one? Why do you keep on picking this side? Let's see. Yeah, she's just picking that side. Daisy, sit. Sit. Clever girl. What one? What one? Yeah, she's just picking that side. I'm not me. What one? Last choice. Oh, now, yeah, she wants that one. I don't know if I got that in camera. Pick it again. Okay, she did pick that one twice, guys. So this is all the makeup that my dog has picked for me. It's actually very natural. I don't know why. Obviously, she hasn't picked that. I don't know how that's going to go, but let's go and make a makeup look out of it. So I just put on like my face base that my dog couldn't pick, but now I'm on to the highlight. I did film all that, but my camera did not want to film it. What was that? But this is the highlight. I've already put like 2 dots on, but I'm going to put another, well, I've got another dot on. So if the lighting's like very weird, I've needed to do it on the front camera, but that's why. So like I was saying, but I didn't catch it, I'm using this beauty blender. This is just a tiny one, and it just helps it like blend in properly. Last time I used this, it did not look nice, but I think I put too much on last time. So I will tell you what I think at the end. So now that I've got my highlighter on, I'm going to use this eye primer. Of course my dog could not choose that because I've only got one eye primer. Now I'm on to the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do a pinky tone, or try and do a pinky tone. It's more orangey. The first colour I'm going to use is this one here, called Plenty of Dough. So this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to reapply this. Now I'm going to use this brush. And we're gonna use this colour here, called Cookie Cutter. So pretty. The lighting is so now, because you all know I only use this mascara, so I've only got this one. I have got another one, but I think it's out of date, so that's why I did not get my dog to pick what mascara I'm using. So we're gonna use this one. I'm so sorry if there's like noise at the background. Hopefully you can't hear it as much because I've got my mic on. And the last and final thing to do is my lipstick. And the lipstick my dog chose was this one. I still can't believe she chose like all natural colours. I honestly did not make her do that. Don't know why she was choosing that side a lot. But as you would have saw, near the end I did switch this on the other hand, and then she still chose that. I don't know if you would have saw it, but she did. I promise you she chose this twice. The last and final tip is to put on my fixing spray. So it was between this one and that one, and this was the two that I swapped around because I thought she was always picking this hand. But then she picked this one, so I don't know, my dog's probably just got very natural tastes into makeup. So this is the makeup look. The final makeup look. I really like it. I love the way it turned out. So natural. The only thing that I wouldn't say is as natural is the highlight. I still don't know about this highlight. I'm just more a powder kind of girl with highlight, like that type. Let me know in the comments what type of highlight do you like. Do you like liquid highlight or powdered highlight? I'm a powder type of girl. I like powder highlight. Got all of this powder highlight. So let me know down below what you think of this look, and if you're a powder highlight girl or a liquid highlight girl. And if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!